for Wilson Isidore. Third place for all-time caps for the Haitian senior national team. Already the all-time leading scorer with 44. Already trying to target. Isidore, contact and a whistle is blown a bit late maybe for the Tunisian side liking, but it's a crowd into a frenzy. All too familiar with the quality that he can have. Nazan! Bellegarde with the drive to flex again. Isidore now there, trying to play it back into the hands of Ben Hassan. Delcroix. Bell makes his way on for Haiti. 12th appearance for country. Clever. Gets it back. Flick on inside. Providence, what a play this has been from Haiti. Service in. Isidore now. Referee. Wilson Isidore. It's a high lofting cross, and Ben Hassan is hip to it. There was some slight contact. With a heroic effort to slide across. Did he go direct? Isidore now. Isidore now. He'll have a go up and over the goal. Wilson Isidore trying his luck from well outside the 18.